In this video, I'll show you how to manage issues and punch lists in Stack so you can keep your project organized and your team aligned. You'll learn how to create clear issues, assign them properly, and track progress until everything is closed out. Let's get started. Start by signing into Stack Build and opening the project you want to work on from your project list. Make sure your account has permission to create and edit issues. If you don't see the option to add an issue later, it usually means you need additional access from your project administrator. Inside the project, go to the Issues section. Here, you will see a list of all existing issues along with their status, priority, assigned person, and due dates. This view helps you quickly understand what needs attention and what is already in progress. To create a new issue, click the Add Issue or Create New button. Give the issue a short and clear title so it's easy to identify later, such as Cracked Tile in Unit 204. In the description, explain exactly what the problem is and where it is located. Include details like unit number, room, floor, elevation, or grid line, along with any important measurements. If your project uses categories or issue types, select the one that best fits the problem so reports stay organized. Set a priority level, such as low, medium, or high, depending on urgency. Assign the issue to the correct person or trade responsible for fixing it, and add a due date to set expectations and keep the schedule visible. Attach photos or supporting files when possible. Clear images provide context and reduce unnecessary back-and-forth communication. When everything looks correct, save the issue. A useful best practice is to keep one issue focused on one problem. Avoid combining multiple problems into a single issue, as this makes tracking and accountability more difficult. As work progresses, update the issue status so everyone knows what stage it is in. A common workflow is to mark the issue as open when it is first created, in progress when work begins, ready for review when the fix is complete, and closed once it has been verified. Update the status each time the issue moves forward. This real-time visibility helps field teams, office staff, and subcontractors stay aligned and focus on what needs to be done next. By following these steps, you can clearly document problems, assign responsibility, and close out issues with confidence. That's how you manage issues and punch lists in Stack to keep your projects running smoothly. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple project management tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.